I once spoke to a client who lost a £500,000 deal just because their carpets were dirty. Okay, to be fair, it was a manufacturing company and their client told them they didn't have the attention to detail required to build the machine they needed. Harsh, but true story, and is an extreme example of how your premises reflect your image and can determine whether or not your customers want to spend money with you. Whether that is an office which has track marks coming from the door and through the office, big tea stains going from the canteen to the people's desks, or the pubs and restaurant floors that have dark patches. They can even feel a little sticky underfoot. Or rather than thick and plush carpets, it's gone solid and flat, mainly along the bar. That is blacktop and is caused by the sugars in the food and drink. Professional carpet cleaners will know the right way to remove it and revive those carpets. Carpet deep cleaning and specialist spot stain removal is a science. It's not just a case of picking up a machine and having a go, especially when you're talking commercial carpets. Professional carpet cleaners like Vapor Clean's fully trained specialist cleaning technicians know this and understand this. From the ink stains in the office or knowing how to break down the ground in soiling in a restaurant carpet. That takes training, experience and specialist equipment to deliver first-class results. Professional is in our DNA. We ensure you receive that from the initial inquiry through to completion, with a welcoming voice on the end of the phone or email inquiry providing a free quote, giving a fixed cost from the start, to completing the work outside your business hours where required, to ensure no downtime to your business or income. We can even combine carpets with hard floors, upholstery and other cleaning to make sure it's more cost effective. So if you want to put us to the test or want to find out more, please contact us now. Thank you.